my channel. So today I'm going to be filming an iPhone customization and organization video for you guys. You guys absolutely loved my MacBook customization video that I did probably like a month ago now. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to check that out, but you guys absolutely loved it, and you also love all of my iPhone videos that I do, so I thought I would make this video for you guys. If you guys are new here, I would really appreciate if you could thumbs up this video. It really helps me out, and definitely subscribe if you guys are new. I'm uploading 3 times every week in the month of June, so you guys don't want to miss out on all the new videos. Yeah, without further ado, let's just get on into how to customize and organize your iPhone. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be talking about is backgrounds. Obviously, backgrounds and wallpapers, whatever you want to call them, is a huge thing on your iPhone. You're constantly looking at them. Maybe you want to have a super customizable one. Mine personally is just a white, like gray, super plain screen. That's just what I'm into personally. I just love a clean, simple, minimalistic look. I'm going to show you guys how you can create and customize your own background. Okay, so screen recording here. Honestly, the easiest thing to do if you just want like one picture of something is simply just go to Pinterest, and you can just search in here iPhone aesthetic wallpaper. Here you see that you honestly have so many options. You can just find one that is your vibe. You can do pastel, so if you like pastel colors, or like you can just go through pink. Or if you want one with quotes, you can just go through and do that. If you guys aren't familiar with how to download a picture off of Pinterest, you basically just click the picture. So let's do this one of the butterflies. You click the 3 dots and you just click download image, and it will just go into your photos, and you can just make it your wallpaper that way. But if you guys want a more customized look, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own collage, or some people do call these like vision boards or dream boards. If you're super into manifestation or anything like that, if you believe in that stuff, which I highly recommend you do because I'm telling you, manifestation works. If you guys want to kind of just create like a dream board, vision board, anything like that, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Basically, I use the app Over to create all of my collages. So it just looks like this one. So you want to go on there. Great, so what you want to do is you just want to go on and click the little plus button, and then you just want to click white backgrounds, and see it has all of these set up for you guys. What you want to do is just, you can click portrait, or you can also use story, which I would recommend using. You can choose that, and then you just have this blank canvas. Then what you want to do is you want to go over to Pinterest, and you want to choose a bunch of images that you just want to see on the daily. Maybe it's an inspirational quote, maybe it's a goal you want to set, you want to eat healthy, maybe some food, travel, just anything like that. You don't want to do a dream board, just things that you find aesthetically pleasing and you want on your background. So I'm just going to go through and choose a bunch of things, and I'll show you guys how it looks. So now that I saved a bunch of pictures from Pinterest, I'm just going to go back into the app Over, and I'm going to click image. So all of my pictures are saved here, so I'm just going to go ahead and start adding these in however I would like them. Okay, so then we're going to click select. We're just going to keep going in, just adding. You can overlap these if you want to, if you want that more like collage feel. Basically, these are just random pictures for the point of the video. Also with Over, if you have any overlapping or anything with pictures, you can just click this button at the top, layers, and then you can just say that, okay, you want like this picture on top of that picture. So you can go down and see now this picture's on top. Okay, and then we're gonna do image. And there you go, that is your customizational background, and obviously it just looks super cute, super aesthetic, and you guys can obviously customize this to however you want, anything like that. Okay, so next I'm going to be talking about light versus dark mode with you guys. I personally always use light mode. I was like, no, I was totally against dark mode, and then I put it on my phone and I haven't gone back since. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So what I'm going to do is just go into your settings, and then go to display and brightness. Here on this screen you have light and dark. There you go, or you can do automatic. I always like to have my brightness a little bit down. Here, what I want to show you guys is night shift. Basically, night shift, you can set it to a certain time. So I have mine from 10 p.m. until 7 a.m. So basically, it just takes that really harsh blue light off of your phone and it turns it more to like a yellowy kind of tone. And as you can see, I have the color temperature turned all the way up. Basically, this is just so good because the blue light basically stimulates your brain to be like, wake up, it's go time, it's daytime. So I really like setting this for 10 p.m. on my phone. So the colors do change to more of a warm tone. So as I am starting to kind of wind down for the night, my brain isn't just like staring at this blue light and it's gonna keep me up for the rest of the night. I have honestly noticed a huge difference in how fast I fall asleep compared to now when I have this warmer tone on my phone compared to when I used to just have the blue light going. So if you guys are having trouble sleeping, or it's also just really good for your eyes and just your overall well-being, if you guys want to do that, definitely go and do that. Again, super easy, and you can customize it to sunrise, sunset and sunrise, or you can turn it on and off at specific times as well. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys that you can customize is your control center. So again, we're just going to go into settings and we're going to click control center, and here you can customize controls. So as you can see here, I have flashlight, timer, calculator, camera, and screen recording. If you see here, you can add all of these things so that they are easily accessible. So let's say dark mode. So let's add that, and then when you swipe up, it's right next to here, so you can literally just turn on and off your dark mode just like that. It's super easy. Also add things like your wallet, so this could be super helpful if you have your cards on your phone, so you can just click wallet and then it will open up if you're ready to pay for something. I just think it's a super helpful shortcut, and it just allows you to find things and just have things at your access a lot more easily. Okay, so next we're going to be talking about one of my personal favorite things on your iPhone is turning your notifications off. Now I absolutely hate those little red notification dots. When I see people have them on their phone, like 400 emails or like 60 notifications on one app, I'm like, oh my god, no. So I personally only have it on for a few apps. So as you can see at the bottom here, I do have it on for Snapchat, but I believe the majority of the apps on my phone, I do like to have them off. So if you guys want to do this, you can just go into your settings and notifications, and see right here, I have air miles off. Literally turn them off. Followers, games, health, I have Instagram I have on, Lightroom I have off. I only have the apps on that I really need on. Yeah, that is basically just how you do it, and I just hate having those little red widgets. It just makes your phone look so much more clean and organized and put together, so definitely I suggest doing that. And my last thing I have for you guys today is app limits. Okay, so what we want to do is just go into settings and then screen time and click this little orange button where it says app limits. And basically you can set an app limit for however long you want or however short you want for each app. And I think this really just keeps you accountable, especially right now when we are all just on our phones day in, day out. I think it's really hard to control how much you consume. And I know especially right now with everything going on in the world, there's a lot of information and media out there right now, and sometimes you just want to kind of slow down on how much you're consuming a day. But you can just click here by add limit. So let's do social networking. So let's see Instagram. Guilty of spending way too much time on Instagram. So then we're gonna click next, and I'm gonna put 2 hours a day on Instagram. We're gonna click add. So basically, my phone will track how long I've been on Instagram every day, and after I hit that 2-hour mark, my phone will not let me go on Instagram anymore. Like I said, I just think this is a really good way of holding yourself accountable. And also, you guys, we spend so much time on our phones that you can be so productive with your time when you realize how much time you are spending on each app just mindlessly scrolling. So just do yourself a favor, help your productivity levels, and limit your app time. Okay, so that is all of the tips and tricks that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this and found something new that you didn't know before out of this video. Like I said before, I would love if you guys could thumbs this video up. It really just helps my channel grow, and also if you guys are new here, I would love if you could subscribe. I'm uploading 3 times a week in June, so you guys definitely don't want to miss out on those videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video on Sunday. Bye!